Hello, my friend. Warm greetings to you. I am truly happy you are here today. This moment matters because learning English speaking does not begin with books or rules. It begins with courage. It begins with you. Many learners, including me and many others, struggle every day with English speaking. We understand words. We know grammar. But when it is time to speak, something stops us. Our mind goes blank. Our heart beats faster. Our voice becomes quiet. We worry about mistakes. We worry about pronunciation. We worry about being judged. And this struggle is real. You are not alone. I remember standing in front of someone who asked me a simple question in English. How are you? I knew the answer, but my mouth did not move. That moment feels heavy. Many learners feel this at work, at school, with friends, even at home. They practice in silence. They understand in silence. But speaking feels scary. Today, I want to show you something important. English speaking is not hard. It only feels hard because of fear. And fear disappears with simple daily habits. Small steps, gentle routines, and kind self-talk. Easy ways to learn English speaking start with changing how you think. English is not an exam. English is a tool. It helps you connect. It helps you express yourself. You do not need perfect grammar to be understood. You need clear ideas. You need simple sentences. Native speakers use simple English every day. They say things like, "Let me check." "Give me a minute." That sounds good. You can say these too. Speaking English becomes easy when you allow yourself to speak imperfectly. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are signs of progress. Every mistake means you tried. Every try makes you better. Now let us talk about daily speaking routine. This is the secret. You do not need hours. You need minutes. Start your morning with English thoughts. Say simple sentences in your mind. I woke up. I feel tired. Today will be a good day. When you brush your teeth, describe the action. I am brushing my teeth. When you eat breakfast, say, I am having breakfast. These sentences train your brain. They build thinking in English. Thinking in English makes speaking easier. During the day, talk to yourself quietly. Describe what you see. The weather is nice. The road is busy. People are walking fast. At night, review your day in English. I worked today. I talked to my friend. I learned something new. This routine works. It works because it is simple. It works because it is daily. Let me tell you a short story. There was a learner named Sam. Sam studied English for years. Sam knew grammar rules, but Sam could not speak. Sam felt shy. One day, Sam decided to speak one sentence every hour. Just one. Sometimes alone. Sometimes to a friend. Simple sentences. Can you help me? What time is it? I like this. After 1 month, something changed. Sam was still making mistakes. But Sam was speaking. Fear became smaller. Confidence became stronger. This is how English speaking grows, slowly, gently, naturally. Role play is another easy way. Imagine situations. You are at a cafe. You say, "Can I have a coffee, please?" You are at work. You say, I will finish this today. You meet someone new. You say, nice to meet you. Speak these lines aloud. Use your voice. Your voice needs practice, not silence. Even 5 minutes a day is powerful. 5 minutes every day beats 2 hours once a week. Many learners say, I understand English, but I cannot speak. This is normal. Understanding comes first. Speaking comes later. Do not rush yourself. Do not compare yourself. Compare yourself to yesterday. If you speak one sentence today, you are better than yesterday. Celebrate that. Motivation grows when you notice progress, not perfection. English speaking becomes easy when you make it part of your daily life. Not something special, not something scary, just something normal. Watch short videos in English, simple ones. Everyday topics. Pause the video. Listen again. Repeat the sentence out loud. Copy the speaker's words. Copy the rhythm. Copy the feeling. Do not worry about your accent. Your accent is not a weakness. Your accent is your identity. Clear speaking matters more than perfect sound. People understand confidence, not perfection. Speak slowly. Slow speaking is confident speaking. Slow speaking gives your brain time. Slow speaking makes your words stronger. Fast speaking is not fluency. Fast speaking often hides fear. Calm speaking is fluency. Calm speaking shows control. Calm speaking shows confidence. I want you to remember this. You are capable. You are not weak. You are learning. You are improving. Even when you feel stuck, you are growing. Every day you speak a little more. Every small sentence counts. Every attempt matters. Every mistake teaches you something. Every day fear becomes weaker. Every day your voice becomes braver. Every day English becomes more natural. This journey is not about speed. It is not a race. It is about consistency, small steps, daily effort, gentle practice. Keep going. Keep speaking. Keep listening. Keep repeating. Keep believing in yourself. English speaking is easy when you allow yourself to grow step by step, and you are already on the right path.